Hi, this is Srinivas. I have 20 years of experience. Out of 20 years, 9.5 years into data science and big data analytics. So I'm also working as a lead data scientist in one of the multinational companies. I'm also an architect in big data environment. So I'm very good in building data science and big data analytics projects. Start from right from scratch till deployment and maintaining of projects. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about what is data science and how to perform data science with Spark and Scala. Okay, see the data science activity involves data engineering as well as implementing machine learning algorithms. Both put together, we call it as data science. So this data science can be implemented by using Python or by using a Spark with Python or by using Spark and Scala. So in this video, I'm going to explain about how to implement data science with Spark and Scala. Okay. So first, data engineering. The second one is machine learning algorithms, right? Machine learning algorithms. Machine learning algorithms. So data engineering means right from data ingestion till storing data into data lake. There are different data pipelines can be built by using Spark and Scala. Example, uh, extracting data. Before extracting data ingestion, then data extraction, then data pre-processing activities. After pre-processing, normalized data or structured data stored in data lake or big data lake, which contains different types of databases. Okay, so the data engineering activity can be performed with the Spark framework and Scala language. Scala is used as API, application programming interface, but the Spark is a main framework. It is a cluster computation engine. It can be used mainly for general computations. The Spark can distribute data, also can do computations parallelly. But with just a Spark alone cannot build applications. It requires one of the languages, either Python or Java or R language or Scala. But in this video, you will learn how to build a Spark applications with the Scala, Spark with the Scala language. Okay. The Scala is a language which is object and functional oriented language more than object oriented language. It simplifies a lot of business functionalities, a lot of complex validations. So it has got a lot of built-in functions and packages to simplify complex operations in our real-time, real-life applications. Right. After completion of data engineering, so we'll also perform machine learning algorithms by using Spark and Scala. So all machine learning algorithms can be implemented by using Spark mlib module. The Spark mlib is one of the modules of a Spark framework. Within a Spark framework, we have a Spark Core, Spark SQL, Spark Streaming, Spark Graphics. Similarly, we have a Spark mlib, right? There are many pre-built machine learning algorithms like linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, random forest, dimensionality reduction, PCA, principal component analysis. So there are many machine learning algorithms can be implemented by using Spark mlib. But within a Spark mlib, we can use either Scala language or Python language or Java language. So, but in this video, we are going to discuss Spark with the Scala. Okay. Anybody who is strong in object oriented language, for those people it is the best suitable course, learning Spark and Scala. It's very easy to learn. You don't require to have any technical knowledge to learn these technologies. In short span of time you can become master in Spark and Scala. So I'll be covering all the topics with the hands-on case studies. So as I'm doing in my laptop, we'll also be practicing the same thing, and there will be a guaranteed transformation from nothing to data scientist with Spark and Scala. Okay, so still if you have any questions you can reach out to us. Okay, thank you very much.